I remember him being an inspiration, and I remember him looking the very essence of a judge. He was a very handsome, impressive man physically and intellectually as well. And it was a great pleasure to have him the dean when I was a student.
I thought it was appropriate for the Order of the Coif chapter of the university to sponsor a lecture series, and that would give us a reason for being. I was president at the time, and Norma Shapiro and Dolores Sloviter and Tom O'Neill were members of the committee, and we planned to have the lectureship. And we went to the dean and got the blessings of the university.
It was a good thing for us to have the Roberts Lecture. The first one, if I remember correctly, was Justice Frankfurter. It was in a hotel downtown, I think, and it was really crowded.
We decided that the first lecture should also pay tribute to Dean Roberts, and Felix Frankfurter was a friend of his. He was willing to come. He spoke on a very interesting subject.
Justice Frankfurter was the natural choice, whose subject was, is prior judicial experience necessary for appointment to the Supreme Court?
It was something that was worthwhile to keep because they were academic, but interesting and worthwhile.
We wanted one prestigious lecture devoted to a matter of public interest, that it would be attended not only by students at the law school, but by lawyers and judges from town, and the lay public as well. And it was very successful in that regard for quite some time. And we thought it would be prestigious if it were named for Owen Roberts. His intellectual achievements stand for themselves. But I think whether you agreed with his legal philosophy or not, he was a model of intellectual integrity. And that's what you look for. That's what you want the law school to encourage, I think.
As I said before, he was a giant in many ways. And he was an outstanding representative of a Philadelphia lawyer on the Supreme Court of the United States, and someone we should emulate. I'm pleased that we're celebrating in the 50th year.